Hello everyone, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to create Amazon tricks in Microsoft Excel. So let's started. At first, open your Excel document file. Firstly, then I show the Excel document from the bookmarks. Now get from the Amazon tricks. Now select from the all data. Now for click. Now going to the home menu option. Now click for the conditional formatting option. Then click for the new rules option. Now click for the use formula to date name with cells to format option. Now for click. Now click for the format value where this formula is draw. Now keyboard press from the equal A1 and keyboard press from the less than and greater than. Then keyboard press from the double quotation, again double quotation. Now click for the format option, then click for the outline option, then click for OK, then OK. Now then show the amazing tricks. Now type from the name. Now enter. Enter. That's okay. Then I show the amazing tricks from the create in Microsoft Excel. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my